It's time to get tropical with a Piña Colada Impossible Pie. Oh yes, grab a bowl. Half cup of Bisquick, 3/4 cup of flaked coconut. We'll need more of that later. We need a cup of cream coconut, not coconut milk. 1/4 cup of milk, 1/4 cup of rum. I'm using this tropical rum. Tablespoon of softened butter, 2 eggs, an 8-ounce can of drained crushed pineapple. Whisk that until blended. Pour that into a prepared pie dish. Sprinkle with a 1/2 cup of flaked coconut. And now time to bake it at 350 for 30 to 40 minutes. Piña Colada Impossible Pie. Allow it to cool at least 10 minutes before serving. Great with whipped topping. That is so good. Perfect summer dessert, and I can taste the rum. Impossible!